Good morning. It is November 5th. I need to get my voting stuff done today. Also, you might be able to tell, I tidied up this room a little bit, especially the shelf. Except for I have some craft paint down there. I'm not really sure what I should do with it because I don't have a use for it, but I don't want to throw it away. If you have any ideas, let me know about that. Also, you might be able to tell, or maybe not because I always wear hoodies, but it's cold. I hate being cold. Not sure what I'm going to do today. I got off to kind of a bit of a rough start. First thing this morning I noticed that our apartment complex charged us the wrong amount for rent. So I had to call them and get that all sorted out. Also, I came into my workroom to notice that, I don't know if you can see it, but basically all of my command strips are starting to fall off the walls, which were holding up things. So I guess I need to get new ones. But I'm happy the room is tidy. Also, I noticed on the aloe plant, it has a little baby growing. Last time I did this, we killed it. So I'm really hoping that this one survives. I need to make a to-do list for the day. I still have one last Inktober vlog that I need to finish editing up, which I guess I could do today. I posted my sketchbook tour yesterday. But yeah, I'm gonna go. I just wanted to give you a little update since it's the beginning of the month. Day really is not my day. I just took a break from working for a little bit and then came back to my computer, and my password to log into my account wouldn't work, even though I was definitely typing in right every single time. So I was like, okay, well, maybe the computer deleted my password for some reason. So I logged into Bo's account to go to the users thing on the system preferences to reset my password, and my account was gone, like completely gone. I about had a heart attack because all of my Inktober scans, everything I've done in October, hasn't been transferred over to the hard drive, like my external hard drive. But it was fine. I found my whole, like all of my folders for my user and stuff on the hard drive for the Mac. So I just made a new account with the same name, and I just started using the folder again, and I just logged in and everything's fine. All my stuff is exactly where it was, but oh man, was that a stressful 5 minutes. I'm in the process of editing the last Inktober video. I took a break and I was going to come back to it, but after that, I think I'm going to take a break from the computer for a little bit and put away some laundry, do a little bit of cleaning or something, because that was a lot. I'm so tired of being stressed.
Kansas that were very pleasant today. However, we are looking for a new front to begin to drift south and eastward. The central and eastern parts of Kansas will very probably be cloudy in the morning, and then western Kansas will begin to get increasing cloudiness by tomorrow afternoon. Today, however, very, very pleasant reading. 73 up in the Goodland area, 72 at Garden City, 70 reported by Dodge City and Liberal, 72 over by the good folks of Garden. And in the Ponca City Blackwell area, 68 degrees today. Winds southerly at about 15 with gusts of 25 miles an hour. Barometric pressure 30.00 and is rising. And no precipitation. We're about a half inch behind, correction, half inch ahead for the year, and 1 5300ths behind for the year so far. We'll be looking for a little bit of a change tomorrow, and of course the possibility of some scattered showers. Today, of course, there's nothing showing up on the radar. However, the satellite photo was pretty interesting for the western half of the U.S. Now, what will happen each time that you see the frontal system on there? That begins at 6 o'clock in the morning, and then you'll see the cloud pattern move until 2 o'clock this afternoon. So as of that time, of course, the front was way off in the northwest. Now, however, it's moving into the central part of the nation with a couple of high-pressure cells behind it. Behind it, and a few pockets of low pressure, and a fairly heavy band of rain showers and